Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some origami dresses. So you can use the regular origami pieces of paper, which are 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, or you can use an A4 paper and fold it into a perfect square like that. So let's get right into the video. I've got my 15 by 15 origami sheet of paper. Now, because I want to be able to see this pattern, I'm going to flip it over and start with the blank side facing up. Okay, so I'm going to take this edge and place it to the other edge, just like that. Crease the bottom so it's like a rectangle. Then I'm going to unfold it, and you can clearly see the line here. We're going to take the edge and bring it to that line. Just like that, and then you're going to turn it around and repeat on this one. Bring it to the middle. Get it nice. And crease that. Alright, now you've got another little rectangle with these. So you're going to unfold these so you can see 4 lines, flip it around like this, and just hold it in the middle. It kind of looks like 2 little mountains. Okay, so you want to pinch this crease together, and see how I pinched that? Yep. So I took this and I pinched it like that, and I'm going to bring it into this line here. Just like that. Oh, I'm a little bit off. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pinch this side, bring it into the middle, like that, and do a little crease to crease that under bit, like that. So it should look like this, so a rectangle with little flaps, and on the back it has like a little square bit with them. Now you're going to turn it over, and so you see the blank side. You're going to pick one end up, so it looks like that kind of little. So you're going to pick this end up, and you're going to take it to the other end, push in here a little bit, so pushing your finger from underneath, and then crease that line there so it's almost like a square again. And then we're just going to fold about like a fingernail up like this and fold down like that, creating the top and the bottom of your dress. Oof, I did not fold that right. Okay, creating the top and the bottom of your dress. Now you're going to take this, you may need to put your finger underneath here to push this out, which I'm doing now, and you just want to get it all the way to the edge here by folding that and pushing that up so the dress goes out instead of straight down. Now you're going to repeat that step on this side. So you're going to take that, push that out a little bit, push that, fold that, and crease that along there so you have the bottom of your skirt. Now for the top of your dress, not your skirt, you have the skirt bit of the dress. Now to make the top of the dress, you are going to take, you're going to take one of them and fold it down. See how this is the size of the under bit? You want to fold it down. You can kind of see where it is. Fold it down onto the back bit like that. Now if I am going too fast, make sure you pause the video. So then I'm going to repeat that on this side and push that down like that, so it looks like a little collar. Now we're not keeping this, but it does look like a little collar. Then you're going to turn around so it's upside down and flip it over so it's the right way again. So now that you're on the white side, you're going to take this, you gotta push that back under, so don't leave it like that, push it back over like that. Now you're gonna take this, like the middle bit, and you're gonna fold it down and push this out like that. So you're gonna push that out like that and crease it. Okay, so then it makes the neck line of the dress, as you can see. Turning back over, we're going to take this bit of the dress, so leave the skirt for now, but we're just going to take this bit and fold it in along that line, like that. And then, because this is connected to the skirt, we're going to take this, and you want to go all the way to the edge, making sure that trying to get it doesn't have to be perfect, but trying to get it nice and thin along the edge. If you can't get it, just go in a little further than coming out, because it looks weird if it's come out. But just like that, and crease it so you've got this and this of it, and that is the dress so far. Alright, now you're going to repeat the same step on the other side. There's a lot of repeating in this, but trust me, it's worth it. Pulling that in again against that line and folding out the skirt ridge of the other side. Just like that. See how I couldn't get it perfect, but I just went in that little bit instead of having it straight on the edge, because I couldn't get that again. I made it just that little bit. Okay, so now that we've done the back of the dress, flip it over and you can see that the dress is almost complete. Now this is a very, very, very deciding bit of the dress. So this will make the dress. So as our demos here, we have little sleeves. Now you can choose to have the sleeves on it or not. So I'm going to show you how to make the sleeves, but then I will also take it back and show you what it looks like without the sleeves. So you don't have to, but I'm going to use a ruler just to make sure that the sleeves are about the same length. So I'm going to take it, and can you see that line there that we made before that? I'm going to place it along there like that. I'm going to take one of them and pull it out like this to the ruler. And I'm going to make sure that I don't go anywhere past it, going like that to make that one side, making sure I don't go past that little top bit, and that's where I want it. So if I place my ruler back on here, I should get about the same length for the next one, like this, pulling it out, just like that. And then if we turn it over, there's our complete dress. Okay, so this is the one with the sleeves. I'm going to show you what it looks like without the sleeves. So, this is with the sleeves. Just look at it. You know, I think I like this one. But then, I'm just going to fold it in like that. You don't have to. So you can either do what I did and then fold that corner in, or you can just fold the corner like that. So there are two different options, either going from the sleeve and just folding it in, or from the sleeve folding it back to the square and then just down like that. So that is what the dress looks like without the sleeves. So with sleeves and without sleeves. So you make up your mind on which one you like. That's basically it with the dress. The dress is really nice. You can also make it sit up if you pull that out like that. So it will sit up and it will lay down. And I'm just going to quickly show you how to make the square on the blank piece of paper, because I know some of you don't know what an origami piece of paper is. Now, you can make the origami paper any size you want, just as long as it's the same length, like along all the sides, okay? So I'm going to take one of the corners for the blank piece and push it up against the other edge like that, and get the corner straight, push it down, and voila, we have a triangle. Then if you have scissors, or you can just use your ruler again, using your scissors, cut up along this line like this, and this will make you your perfect square to make an origami dress. So there you go. There's the perfect square in case you want to just use a normal piece of paper. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next time with another video. Goodbye.